It's so cute. Hello. We've arrived in Istanbul airport.
That can work, maybe, I don't know. I can say, if we are tired, maybe they don't work. But if I say, hey, they are our guests.
It's really Christmassy. And this is the room. It's really spacious, actually more spacious than I expected. So really nice. The bed looks comfy. And stepping over, this is the bathroom. I love these doors. Ceiling. This is something very unique. And when we checked in at the hotel, the receptionist said this building has been 162 years old and it was previously like a Italian bank building.
Yeah, it's really hard without like data and Wi-Fi. Yeah. Okay, so we're stuck now and we don't have data with us. But we're too hungry, so we decided to eat first. Yeah. We decided to eat a cafe close to the hotel. Lunch, and now we're going to the center Taksim Square, and hopefully we can find like a SIM card. Oh, look at this cute lights! So cute! Oh, look at the square! This is so cute! No? Like 10 years ago when we have to use the map. That's because we don't have a SIM card yet. Yeah. So, we're in Europe part. Yeah. We're Europe part. No? It's so cute! Yeah, I really like this. What is pistachio? This is? Yes? Okay. What, you want to try one? Just have a small bite? Okay. I will take one of this. Okay, it's already. Jess, what are you waiting for? For the desserts. Looks really cute, right? Yes.
Yeah, I can start from the yeah, it's garlic, but with some sauce, and this is some yogurt and some veggie and some olive oil. Mm-hmm. And
you eat this with the bread or just like
no,
that?
like directly from with this.
Oh.
Bread is exceptional. You want or not?
Okay, okay.
Not all of them is like that.
Okay.
And
that's tomatoes.
some tomatoes, some other veggie things.
Okay.
And this is
Cilantro.
salata, yeah.
Cilantro.
And this is from the Mediterranean.
Okay.
It's
I thought these two were the same.
olive oil.
Yeah.
It's some, I don't remember the English name of this leaf, and the yogurt. And this is also a lot of many veggie and things.
Mm-hmm.
As I say, for this alcohol,
yeah.
We don't, Turkish people don't drink it like, you know, for example, you can go to a restaurant or bar and you drink it, but it's not like that in that. If you drink it, you are eating. Yeah, this is not for nightclub or not for, if you want this in nightclub, it's so rude. Yeah. And it's not delicious.
It's like for a different setting.
Yeah, this making by this.
Oh, it's a beetroot. Yeah, it looks like beetroot. Is it? Yeah, it's beetroot.
Bak, bu da turunç. Şalgama sıkardı ama güzel bir aroma verir.
Yeah, he said that if you put this orange to your dish, it's make it better.
Make it better.
But I never tried before actually. But it looks like price really so expensive because they bring everything.
Yeah.